Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this and they're not happy with the shadow. They want to make the shadow more realistic, like the shape of the item. Pretty easy. Let's make a duplicate of that. Let me set my nudge factor. I guess that's how he drew it. This thing is like 16 inches. Let's make our nudge factor 19. And let's make a duplicate of that and move it over. Now, the one way I would know how to do this is take a rectangle and fill it in with the Smart Fill tool on any color. We'll go with a dark blue and then nudge that down or over and then fill that in. But we're going to change that to a gray and then bring it back to where it was. Let's actually move it. Make sure you get rid of your Smart Fill tool and let's move it down. And then let's go to arrange, order, back a page, and you get that. But you can see that it's too realistic. Look, I mean, it's too squared off. So all we have to do is take that shadow and go up to Effects, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. And there you can play around with whatever you want to do. Make it. And so if that's too dark, just go okay, go over to your transparency tool and let's make it a little bit more transparent. It'll make it a little bit lighter. Anyway, that's a pretty cool graphic. I hope that helped somebody and thank you for watching.